Hey, it's been a while, I know. Welcome to San Antonio Pride. Here getting ready to line up for the parade, which I am in, and I like to come out to you all. So yes, Pride matters to me. First, because it's personal, it's me. I am bisexual, and it's okay for me to tell you all that. So I'm just going to start out with the confession first, and then tell you a little bit about why I believe Pride matters. So, we live in a world where people are marginalized because of who they are, because of their identity, because of things that they can't control. And what I have found is that because of those things, either, again, identity or body stuff or whatever, it makes it really difficult for people to access touch, right? Because touch begins with families. And if there's already like this strangeness, weirdness around a child, let's imagine a child or a young adult who is coming into themselves, families have this thing that some families don't touch their kids, don't touch young adults, or it becomes a difficult thing. So first of all, my heart goes out to all of those young adults, those of you who were, when you were once children, that didn't get the kind of touch that you were looking for, that love. And for me, why Pride matters also is that for me it's all about acceptance and love, and hoping that all of you feel that with somebody, people that are near you, that you can find yourself with people that want to hold your hand if you are willing to ask for it, or wanting to put their arm around you, or maybe wanting to hug. And what Pride also does is it breaks down, like it really confronts homophobia, right? So like if you identify as a man, a cis male, know that you can go to somebody and say, hey, another man, like, hey, I'd like to give you a hug, or would you give me a hug, or can we share a hug together? I think that's what really matters, that we start breaking the stigma of same-sex people loving each other. And you don't have to be sexually attracted, just that kind of love that exists between all peoples.
Down here.
Oh, so they want to say hi.
Hi.
I'm live. Hey. Hey, there's some people who are going to be in the parade. Who are you representing?
Berkshire Hathaway.
I don't know what that is.
It's real estate.
Oh, so if you're looking to
wanna
buy a home,
buy a
home,
house,
sell a home, there you go. So there are all sorts of doors, businesses and organizations that are here that are supporting Pride, as allies or as people who identify as queer, however you identify. So again, it matters that people can feel welcome. And if in any way you're feeling not able to be yourself, not welcome, gosh, you just need some love. I am a mother, so if I can provide mother love for you, or if you just need someone to care about you, that's what we do. This is what professional cuddling is all about, where you can truly be yourself, be loved, and receive the acceptance that you've always wanted. And I guess the last thing, this is semi-controversial. Who am I walking with? I am walking with SWAP, which is an organization that supports sex workers. And some of my videos, I think I've talked about this. It makes it really difficult to do my work when we have sex work as something that's illegal. Because people come to me pretending that what they really, they come off, they're like, yeah, I want to do professional cuddling, but what they really want is probably something that's more sexual or sensual, and it makes it really difficult. It makes it difficult for those of us who do professional cuddling, because you come to us for a specific thing, and there's a lot of confusion, right? So what I want, I support sex workers, and I support that they are able to do their work, and support you all who are looking for those services. All right, my love to you all. Mwah. We're getting ready to start lining up, and happy Pride, y'all. Love you. Bye.